Okay, hello everybody. I'm going to show you how to fix this annoying error in Windows. The first thing you want to do is enable your .NET framework. So open the Start menu, search for Control Panel. And from here, go to Programs. And then you'll see Windows, turn Windows features on and off. Click on this. And you want to make sure the top two .NET framework are enabled. If they are not, press these and say OK. If they are enabled, just exit out and that should be fine. The next thing you want to do is go into Windows, see Windows, and from here you want to go to System 32. And you want to look for a file called xinput 1_3. So this one .dll and delete it. And also you want to go into Windows, go back here, go to Windows, and you want to go to sys wow64 and also look for xinput 1_3 and delete this. After you've done that, go into Google, search for DirectX, download DirectX, and then click on this. Make sure it's the correct version for whatever Windows you are running, and then select download and install, and this will solve the error.